Hi, I'm Albert Middeke, president of Arnco Safety and Arnold Company. I just wanted to take a few seconds to tell you about our new safety training center. We spent a lot of time the last couple of years talking to customers, and one thing we realized is that nowhere in our area was there a safety training center where somebody could really get hands-on with their safety training. So we've built this facility along with the Arnco Safety headquarters, and it's combined a 30-foot by 30-foot classroom training with a large hands-on section where there are several stations like fall protection, confined space, grain bin rescue, hazard monitoring, lockout, tagout, dust management, and several others, with the idea being that you can spend the day getting your classroom training as well as coming into the hands-on area and really going through some of the safety processes and procedures. If you want to find out more about us, this will be live April 1st of 2023. You can contact us at any of the links below. Give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.